How to fix, make sure your Bluetooth device is still discoverable. So if you want to fix, make sure your Bluetooth device is still discoverable, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with your search and then search for services. After opening your services, you need to click on any service and then press F key and you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with function discovery provider. You need to right click on it and then go with the properties section. Now you need to go with the startup type and make sure that you've selected automatic, apply, and then OK. And you need to click if it's not started, you need to just simply go and click on start, then apply and OK. Go with the next one, which is SSDP discovery. Right click on that and then go with the same process, which is go with properties and then go with startup type. You need to go with automatic. If it's not started, you need to start the service and go with apply and OK. Once done, you need to restart the service. After that, go with the next service, which is UPnP device host. Right click on it, go with properties and then startup type, automatic, then go with apply and OK and restart the service. Next, go with the last one, which is Bluetooth support service. Right click on it, go with properties, and then go and select automatic, then apply and OK, and then restart. Once done with all of these, you need to just simply go back, restart your computer, and check if that fixes your issue. If that doesn't, then you might just have not enabled the option at all. So go with your control center, which will be in the bottom, and you will have a Bluetooth option right here. You'll have the Bluetooth, or just right click or just click on the Bluetooth, and then go and enable it and connect. Or you can also search for troubleshoot settings and go with additional troubleshooters. Just wait for a few seconds and then you will find the Bluetooth troubleshooter. You need to run the troubleshooter for Bluetooth. After that, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.